Dear students, let us start. Okay. The motivation to succeed comes from the burning desire to achieve a purpose. Napoleon Hill wrote, whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe the mind can achieve. So Napoleon once said that what desire that you have in your mind to succeed, if you want to achieve that, make sure that you utilize that and it come into fulfillment. So what the mind can conceive, you can make it happen. That is what he said. So desire to have the heights, as our Abdul Kalam said once, dream heights. And when you have dreams which will make you to succeed in your life, automatically you will work hard for that. Again, a young man asked Socrates the secret to success. The young man asked, what is the secret to success? Socrates told the young man to meet him near the river the next morning. Okay, and the young man asked Socrates, what is the secret of success? And he told, you meet me near river in the next morning. They met, both of them. Socrates asked the young man to walk with him towards the river, not away from the river, into the river. When the water got up to their neck, so both of them were entering into the water. They were going on deep. When it reached up to their neck, Socrates took the young man by surprise and ducked him into the water, put him into the water. The boy struggled to get out, but Socrates was strong and kept him there until the boy started turning blue. He was about to die. He put him inside the water. The boy was shivering and making. He was about to come out, but Socrates was more strong, so put him. Now, when he was about to die, Socrates pulled his head out of the water, just to put him out of the water. And the first thing the young man did was to gasp and take a deep breath of air. When he came out, when you come out from the water, when you for a long time, if you cannot breathe, suddenly when you are able to breathe, you make noise. That was the young man did. Now, Socrates asked, what did you want the most when you were there? When you were inside the water, what you wanted mostly? The boy replied, air. Yeah. Yes. Socrates said, that is the secret to success. That is the secret to success. When you want success, as badly as you wanted the air, then you will get it. Now you were inside the water, no. How much eager you were to get the air, the same eagerness you should have. There is no other secret. There is nothing else. This one only. A burning desire is the starting point of all the accomplishment. A burning desire is the starting point of all the accomplishment. Just like a small fire cannot give much heat, a weak desire cannot produce great results. A burning desire is the starting point of all the accomplishment. Just like a small fire, a small fire cannot give much heat. A small fire, how it is, oven and you see, small fire cannot give much heat. A weak desire cannot produce great result. If I am able to study, I will try, but I will sleep up to 7 o'clock and I will watch IPL, I will watch movies in the TV, but I want above 90 for the 10th class. No. Desire, weak desire. Working for that is the result. That is what is the author is saying. Now you see, Shiv Khare has written, if you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare, no, don't. So what? If you think that is, if you like to win, but think you can't. I want to win, but I cannot. No, both should know. If you want to win, you say that I will. It is almost a cinch you won. If you think you will lose, you are lost. If I write the exam, I will fail, so I don't know. I will study, I will work hard, and I will write. I will be. For out of the world, we find success begins with a philosophy. Not from if I cannot, no. From my will, the success begins. It is all in the state of mind. It all depends on the state of mind. If you think you are outclassed, you are. If you think that you are kept silent, you are. You have got to think high to rise. You have to think high to rise. You are going to be sure of yourself before. should be sure that what you are, you can ever win a prize. No, if you are not confident of yourself, you can never. Life's battle don't always go to the stronger and faster man. Life's battles don't always go to the stronger and faster man. But sooner or later, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. The poem way he has written is very well. Simply lazy, I can, I will. You can do his Shivagada's famous book. If you get a chance, it's better to read. It's very, very, very enriching. So, my dear students, I have completed the portion with the 3 classes, not before. And I have already explained to the other students too. So, go through it and go through the vocabularies once more. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me, no problem. Some people are asking me doubt. I will explain to you and write the notes to the book, and we have to begin the next section sooner. So thank you so much. God bless you. Write the question answers in the book, and you start to study. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. God bless you. Bye bye.